Bullish on cost expectation goes from $0.431 to $1.413. On cost could likewise reach $2 soon. On negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.157. This Origin Protocol, on, price prediction 2022 video depends on specialized examination alone. Underneath, you will see the key measurements that we have thought about after concocting our on-value examination and expectation. Among the digital currencies that are revitalizing this year, Origin is maybe one of the most amazing for some. It isn't straightforwardly associated with Bitcoin, nor is it the most advertised cryptographic money today. In any case, for those that know, Origin Protocol has been around beginning around 2017. It as of late stood out as truly newsworthy subsequent to hitting nearly $3.39 on April 8, 2021, as per CoinMarketCap. Its cost has diminished by more than 48.7% in the beyond 1 year. Could Origin Protocol at any point reach $2 in 2022? We will find out in no time. However, before we continue to our Origin Protocol cost examination, let us first respond to the inquiry, what is Origin Protocol? In this On Forecast 2022 video. What is Origin Protocol, On? Beginning Protocol is an organization that empowers market members to disperse labor and products through shared, P2P, organizations. In addition, the stage centers to make a broad web-based stage that use the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain and interplanetary file system, IPFS, nonetheless, to dispense with go-betweens requirements. All the more in this way, the convention empowers the production of a decentralized setting where the two purchasers and merchants can consolidate, check for accessible postings, compose surveys, and perform numerous different activities. With this, partial usage of resources could be exchanged all the more without any problem. Since we have a thought regarding ON, do you suppose Origin Protocol, ON, will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the outlines in this ON cost examination and ON cost expectation. Beginning Protocol, ON, current market status. As of the hour of compassing this Origin cost examination, ON exchanges at $0.336, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $138,668,514. The cost of ON has expanded by 20.7% as of now. Besides, ON has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 388,570,732.54 ON. Presently, the top cryptographic money trades for ON are Binance, Huobi Globalgate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, Mex and others. Beginning Protocol, ON, Price Analysis 2022 Currently, ON holds 155th put on CoinMarketCap. However, will the most recent updates, improvement, and changes in the ON blockchain assist the cryptographic money with valuing to reach higher? How about we continue to the diagrams in this ON cost forecast? Keltner channel is a specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern headings by estimating the instability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for Origin Protocol, ON, it very well may be seen that the present upswing could go on, since the last candle is inside the principal half of the bend from the highest point of the bend. This shows that the current expansion in the cost of ON may be supported for certain days before any inversion would be normal. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general energy and the size of late cost changes to reason oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of Origin Protocol, ON, one-day diagram of ON USDT is at 66.25. This shows that ON is showing serious areas of strength for us since it is somewhere in the range of 50 and 70. This worth is setting off a bullish run as of now, since it appears to be that more purchasers had repositioned as the worth is moving towards the 70 RSI mark, which will be the overbought locale. The 200 MA and the 100 MA are further separated, yet the 100 MA is now near the as of late framed candle. It implies that the cost of ON could fall soon. Be that as it may, long-haul financial backers would acquire since the 200 MA is over the 100 MA. Beginning protocol, on, price prediction 2022. The graph beneath shows that Origin protocol has performed perfect throughout recent days. Besides, the ON cost is more than 29.6% over the most recent 14 days. In the event that this pattern proceeds, ON could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $0.431 RESISTANCE1 level, and move higher to $1.413 at the RESISTANCE7 level, the bullish sign for 2022. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and depose ON from its upswing position. In less difficult terms, the cost of ON could dive to nearly $0.157, a negative sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out ON cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a low chance of flooding throughout its ongoing all-time high, at about $3.39 this year. Notwithstanding, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming that this bullish pattern proceeds, ON will reach $1.413 toward the finish of 2022. Also, in July 2022, ON will show fast development, up to $0.431. Then, at that point, the ascent will dial back, however no significant falls are normal. With impending organizations and advancements coming to $2 is very hopeful in the cost of view however, without a doubt practical for the not-so-distant future. Beginning protocol, ON, price prediction 2023. Assuming that ON holds the help level around 200 MA which is the drawn-out moving normal, purchasers will then have ON time and strength to produce the following assault mission on the indispensable level at $5, making it not plunge however play predictably. Beginning protocol, ON, price prediction 2024. According to the most recent updates, advancements, ON cost expectation, and new undertaking conjectures of the stage, ON financial backers could expect numerous organizations and reconciliations around 2024. Also, this could support the cost of ON in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $15. Beginning protocol, ON, price prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, ON costs could ascend to $20. All the more thus, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for ON as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that ON has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 5 years according to the expectation. Beginning protocol, ON, price prediction 2026. In the following 5 years, ON costs could